Unlock the future of finance by learning how to invest in cryptocurrency with Kraken's beginner-friendly guide. First, let's get you set up on Kraken. Visit Kraken.com and click on the Get Started or Sign Up button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address, choose a strong username, and create a secure password. Remember, a strong password is your first line of defense for your digital assets. Next, you'll need to verify your account. Kraken offers different verification tiers, and for beginners, starting with the intermediate level is usually sufficient. This involves confirming your email, phone number, and submitting a valid government-issued ID. This verification process ensures the security of your account and access to full features. Once verified, it's time to fund your account. Kraken supports various funding methods, including bank transfers and debit cards. Navigate to the funding section, choose your preferred method, and follow the on-screen instructions to deposit. Start with an amount you're comfortable losing, as cryptocurrency investments carry risk. Now for the exciting part, choosing your first digital assets. For beginners, it's often recommended to start with well-established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. These are the most liquid and have a longer track record. Explore the market section on Kraken to see available cryptocurrencies and their current prices. Once you've picked a cryptocurrency, it's time to buy. Navigate to the trade section and select the crypto you want. Choose a buy order, enter the amount you wish to invest, and review the details carefully before confirming your purchase. It's that simple to make your first crypto investment. Remember, investing in crypto involves risk. It's crucial to practice risk management, diversify your holdings, set clear investment goals, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Don't get caught up in hype. Do your own research and invest wisely.